Cowboy. In case you're wondering, Soi Cowboy opens at 1:30 in the afternoon and closes at 2 o'clock?
Yeah.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, and today I'm coming to you from one of the red light districts here in Bangkok. I'm going to show you right here. This is Sukhumvit Road right here. Okay? So Sukhumvit, this right here is going to be Soi Cowboy. So a Soi is basically road in Thai. Okay? So Soi 23 right here. Go that way, it's Soi 24. And all the way on down the road. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk up here and check this place out. It is a Saturday and it's around 11:30 at night. You guys liked my Angeles City video so much that I figured when I come here, being that I had a late flight into Bangkok, I would stop here at Soi Cowboy. We're coming up to it. See if I can get across the street. This is a place you come to have beer and fun with the friends, I guess. I've got my water tonight. I just arrived on a flight at 10:30. Kind of late. There's the crazy horse up here. About to be there, guys. Sit tight. At the very least, you get an idea of what it's like down here. Some street food. We got a little barbecue going. Ooh. All right, here we go. We're on Soi Cowboy now. I'm just gonna point and shoot. Not do too much talking. Pretty lit up, ain't it? Like I told you guys in the last video, I'm not gonna talk to anyone because they don't want to be on camera. Some might want to be on camera, but Toy Bar, Lucky Star, Long Gun, Rawhide, Deja Vu, Crazy Cat. Actually, after we get off Soi Cowboy, it keeps on going. So we'll go to the left. Live music right there. Where you get your tuk-tuk back to your hotel. Tricycle. I moved fast through there because, you know, I don't know. how many people want to be on camera. I don't.
What?
Oh, thank you. So there's a MRT right there. Oh, thanks. I'll cruise up down here to Sukhumvit. Like I said, this is the main drag that you'll go to when you come to Bangkok. If you stay on Sukhumvit and you take this all the way down to like Soi 5 or Soi 7, which is quite a ways away to walk, there is a place called Nana, which is like another red light district area. I could do a whole nother video on that. I mean, I could have included it in this, but I'm not going to. But there's a Sheraton. There's actually some malls right over here. Yeah, I mean, to cross that road is not necessary right now. So what I'll do is I'll go back this way towards the Sukhumvit Suites. Yeah, like I was saying, if you go to the right on Sukhumvit, there's more action about maybe 15 minutes by foot that way. There's a big mall there. The mall's a pretty nice mall. It's like a Western style mall. Actually, it's one of the best malls you'll see in the world, actually. They have a lot of pretty good stuff if you keep on walking here. They have like Dolce & Gabbana over here. Gucci. Get a lot of falafel here. Michelin Award falafel. Sukhumvit Suites. Hotel if you wanted to be right next to Soi Cowboy. It's called the Continent Hotel Bangkok. If you want to be right next to it, there you go. It's a big one. Hello, sir. Where are you? Taxi? Yeah, I come back. I'm gonna get a taxi from you. Oh no, no, thank you. No, thank you. Not right now. Floating market?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow, okay, booking.
Oh, what? So here in Bangkok, they have a place called Ayatua City, which is like Siam Reef over in Angkor Wat. And then they have Pattaya City. Actually, I might be going to Pattaya. And Railway Market. How far to Railway Market?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have WhatsApp or a card?
Yes, sir. You come here.
Okay, I come see you.
Booking,
What's your name?
Boom.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Actually, it's Kap Kum Kap. That's thank you. I should have said that. Probably thinks I'm a goofball. So one of the popular things to do here is, what the locals do is they sniff these like menthol, like tea tree oil, eucalyptus, I don't know what it is, but they sniff on it and it like clears their sinuses because there's a lot of pollution here, like dust and whatnot in the air. So I think that's why they do it. Anyways, yeah, that's the red light district, the main red light district. I know I moved fast. I apologize for that, but you know, you can watch it a couple times if you need to. And we'll see you guys on the next vlog from Thailand now. So I just wrapped up Philippines, and we'll see you guys.